Hey everyone, welcome to Model Muse today. We're diving into the world of Sophie Rain, a stunning curvy plus-size model who's taking the fashion and beauty world by storm. So, grab a seat and let's get into it. Sophie Rain is a rising star in the world of modeling and social media, celebrated for her engaging online content and remarkable career trajectory. Born on September 22, 2004, in Miami, Florida, Sophie has captured the hearts of millions through her vibrant personality and captivating digital presence on Instagram. She has more than 5.7 million followers. Sophie's journey into modeling began when she was just 14 years old, discovered by a talent scout. Her natural beauty and charisma quickly set her apart after competing in local modeling events. Her talent caught the attention of renowned companies and agencies, propelling her into the spotlight. In April 2023, she launched her Instagram account. Her TikTok account further solidified her as a multifaceted entertainer. Sophie's videos blend popular trends with her unique creative flair, showcasing her ability to connect with her audience. From POV storytelling to collaborative performances, her content consistently resonates with fans, making her one of the most followed influencers in her niche. Sophie's rapid rise in the modeling and entertainment industries is a testament to her dedication and versatility. She has become a sought-after model for fashion brands and campaigns, leveraging her social media platforms to promote body positivity and self-expression. Her effortless charm and work ethic have earned her a prominent position among influencers of her generation. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed learning about Sophie Rain's inspiring journey. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more. Let me know if you'd like to see more model profiles. See you in the next video.